May peace, blessings and mercies of Allah be upon all of you. I am Dr. Khalid Hakim. Today let's understand why often there occurs conflict between student and supervisor. This topic is sensitive but important to discuss so that this conflict could be reduced. Let's understand first the nature of the relationship between student and the supervisor. The relationship between the student and the supervisor is unequal and hierarchical. Both are professionals in the same discipline, with one being mentored by the other. Both have expectations and responsibilities from the relationship. Both benefit in different ways. The supervisor plays many roles as boss, teacher, advisor, father, friend, principal investigator, etc. at a time, hence this multiplicity of roles may lead to conflict. Now, let's discuss some important tips to make student-supervisor relations better. 1. Conflict of whatever nature is best handled diplomatically, as the relationship with your supervisor is an important one. 2. If you are experiencing such problems, it is often worth mentioning them to your supervisor/promoter in the first instance. 3. It might well be that the supervisor is unaware of the problem, and is quite willing to cooperate fully in sorting it out. Conducting research under a supervisor is a pleasing job, however, due to certain issues conflicts could occur. With proper understanding, we can easily avoid this conflict. Stay connected with other educational videos. Subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. Fi Amanillah.